Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are tired of burnt rice, inconsistent textures, or the constant stress of watching a pot on the stove, you are in the right place today. We are taking a deep dive into the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker, model number CR-0375FW. This is a compact, smart machine that promises to bring premium, consistent results into your kitchen without taking up too much counter space. Let us start by looking at what makes this unit tick. At its core, it features fuzzy logic technology. This is not just a marketing term. It means the internal computer of the rice cooker actually senses the moisture and temperature inside the pot and adjusts the cooking process in real time. Whether you are cooking standard white rice or experimenting with brown rice, the machine does the thinking for you to ensure you never end up with scorched or mushy grains. Capacity is a big deal when you are shopping for a rice cooker. This model handles 3 cups of uncooked rice, which translates to 6 cups of cooked rice. For a single person, a busy couple, or even a small family, this is the sweet spot. It is large enough to handle a meal prep session for the week, but compact enough that it does not dominate your kitchen storage. Versatility is where this cooker really shines. It is not just for plain white rice. With 8 different menu options, you can cook brown rice, oats, and even specialized items like baby food. If you are in a rush, the quick white rice mode is a lifesaver. You also have a timer setting and a warming mode, which is essential if you want to set your dinner to be ready the moment you walk through the door. Now, let us talk about the user experience. Cleanup is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but CUCKOO has made this simple. The inner pot is non-stick, so the rice glides right out without leaving a crusty mess behind. It also includes an auto-clean function, which is a fantastic touch for keeping the internal sanitized and odor-free. Plus, the removable lid makes it incredibly easy to reach those corners that usually get grimy over time. Of course, no product is perfect, so let us look at the pros and cons. The biggest advantage here is the consistency. Because of the fuzzy logic, you get restaurant-quality results with the push of a button. It is incredibly user-friendly, and the build quality feels robust for its size. On the flip side, because it is a dedicated rice cooker, it does not have the massive pressure cooking capabilities of some of the larger, more expensive CUCKOO flagship models. If you are looking for a multi-cooker that handles meat stews and cakes, this might be a bit too focused on the grains. However, for rice lovers, that focus is exactly what makes it so effective. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker is an excellent investment for anyone who eats rice regularly and wants a hands-off approach to a perfect bowl every time. It balances smart technology with a very manageable form factor and simple maintenance. If you want to elevate your home cooking and save time in the kitchen, this is a device that earns its place on your counter. Link in the description.